This is a brand new 2014. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: a power passenger seat, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Acura of Seattle is located at 301 Baker Boulevard in Seattle. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.